Hey, Stoic thinkers! Welcome back to the channel, where we dive into the enduring wisdom of Stoic philosophy and its practical power in everyday life. Today, we're tackling something special: relationships. We'll explore 9 essential principles that wise men would do well to follow, rooted in Stoic teachings. So, if you're looking to develop a mindset that stands strong in matters of the heart, you're in exactly the right place. Before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and give this video a thumbs up if you're ready to apply Stoic strength to your relationships. Let's jump in together and unpack the 9 things wise men avoid in relationships, all through a Stoic lens. 1. Guard your past. Oversharing every detail of your past, especially the difficult parts, is like opening up your most private chapters to everyone. Friedrich Nietzsche reminds us that unresolved issues can return to haunt us. So keep your past guarded. Share only what's essential, preserving the resilient parts of your story. Your experiences are yours alone, not for others to dissect or judge. 2. Face the fear of solitude. Aristotle's wisdom that knowing yourself is the foundation of all understanding speaks to the courage of facing solitude, making choices from a place of fear. Especially fear of being alone can misguide you. Solitude isn't loneliness. Learn to appreciate your own company so that, when you do choose to be with someone, it's because they add genuine value, not because you're avoiding being on your own. 3. Protect your time. Seneca reminds us that life isn't short, but we waste much of it. Don't pour your time into someone else's cup at the expense of your own. Value your hours and invest in activities that bring you joy, growth, and fulfillment. Time is a treasure that shouldn't be spent on someone who doesn't respect its value. 4. Celebrate your wins. Epictetus taught us that admiration should begin within. Don't get so wrapped up in gaining approval from others that you overlook your own achievements. Every step forward, no matter how small, deserves recognition. Building confidence through self-acknowledgement is key to a life of fulfillment. 5. Safeguard your mental peace. Sacrificing your mental well-being for another person is like burning your own home to keep someone else warm. Prioritize your peace and protect your mental resilience fiercely. No one should have the power to take away your joy. Remember, your happiness isn't a bargaining chip, it's a sacred part of your well-being. 6. Be authentic. Albert Camus' words about not over-concerning ourselves with others align with Stoic ideals of authenticity. Agreeing to things that don't resonate with you is like wearing a mask for someone else's approval. Learn to say no with grace and live true to yourself. This is your story, and you're the main character, not an extra in someone else's script. 7. Walk your own path. Seneca reminds us that scattering ourselves in too many places leaves us nowhere. Changing your life to fit someone else's vision is like squeezing into shoes that don't fit. It's uncomfortable and unnecessary. Every compromise in pursuit of others' expectations pulls you further from your goals. Embrace your individuality and pursue your unique path with pride. 8. Cherish your inner circle. Plato's analogy that people are like soil, either nourishing or stifling growth, highlights the importance of nurturing bonds with friends and family. Don't push these connections aside for someone else's approval. Your loved ones form a solid foundation of support. Value those who have been pillars in your journey. 9. Avoid excessive devotion. Marcus Aurelius warned against obsessive attachments, as they unbalance us and obscure our self-worth. Like a satellite endlessly orbiting, fixating on someone leads you to fade. Reclaim your independence. Your life isn't a supporting role, it's your starring story. Never let anyone dim your light. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of Stoicism and relationships. Remember, these principles aren't about rigid rules. They're about fostering a mindset that empowers us to face life's challenges with strength and clarity. Today, we unpack 9 behaviors that wise men avoid in relationships, all informed by Stoic philosophy. Applying these insights can help you build connections grounded in mutual respect, growth, and understanding. If you enjoyed this journey into Stoic wisdom and its relevance in relationships, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content that enriches the mind and fuels the soul. Drop your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Until next time, stay wise, stay stoic, and continue your path toward a life of purpose and inner peace.